Hey there! If you are tired of constantly replacing frayed, bent, or just plain broken iPhone charging cable, then this video is for you. As a tech expert, I've seen all kinds of cable damage over the years. But instead of just tossing those cables and buy new ones, I'm going to share some awesome do-it-yourself repair tips and tricks to revive them. These insider methods will save your money and reduce e-waste by extending the life of your existing cables. So grab those damaged lightning cables and a few basic tools and let's get fixing. Just a few minutes from now, you could have your iPhone charging cable like new again. First of all, I'm gonna actually test my iPhone and my cable, and you can see here the cable doesn't charge my iPhone. All we need, my friend, is this connector, and I'm gonna show you how to order it from the internet. It's so easy to actually get this connector. As you can see, I'm gonna search this phrase on the Google. Just search by iPhone Lightning dock cheap. Here we are. As you can see, my friends, the price is so low and you can buy it from AliExpress, or you can find it on the electronic shop in your city or area. So after getting the cheaper connector, you should have 3 pieces just like this, as you can see. And after that, we will actually set it up with each other. Also, if your USB port is damaged, again, you can order it from the internet or go to electronic shop and fix it. So let's dive into the repair guide. First step, cut your broken part of your cable. So guys, there is a main point here and it's so important. The wire arrangement should be like this, and pay attention to the color of the wire. The red wire is the voltage or V, and the white wire is negative data or D negative, and the green wire is data plus or D plus. And finally we have a blue wire, which is ground or G, and there is a point here, guys, and the ground could be with the brown wire, blue wire, or dark wire. Here I made it easy for you, my friends, the wire diagram, and as you can see, I actually show you with the color of the wire, and you can screenshot from the video and use it later. And another point I should tell you, pay attention to the direct of the connector. And it's not so hard, just follow the actually sign on your connector or your chip. So here it is time to pre-repair our wire. Just follow my video and you can find it. In this step, we will solder the wire and prepare them. Here we are. As you can see, my friend, the wires are ready to solder them to connector. In this step we will actually prepare the connector for the wires. Now we have arrived to the important part. We solder the wires in the order I said. And finally you should have your connector like this, as you can see. So here is the time to test our actually repaired cable. As you can see, I'm gonna test it. So my friends, you can see eventually it's gonna charge my iPhone. This is actually the great trick to repair your damaged cable. So in this step I use this heat shrink to prevent the cable from the breaking again. And again, you can buy the or order the heat shrink from the internet or go to the electronic store and you can find it. As you can see my friend, this is the result. If you have any problem or any question, you can actually comment it. I will answer you as soon as possible. Thank you my friends for watching my video, and do not forget that to support me, subscribe my channel and like the video. See you soon guys, goodbye.